We will start with the exercise 2.5, question number 1. Question number 1 is which is greater number out of these two decimal numbers which they have given. Two decimal number which they have given is 0.5 or 0.05. Here, first of all, see properly that after a decimal number we are having a one digit. Here we are having two digits. So always before comparing two numbers or of a decimal, you have to make a same number of digits after a decimal point. So 0.5 we can put here 0 and we can make it as a 0.50. Here it is already having 0.05. So out of these two, 0.50 and 0.05, as already you can see that 0.50 is greater than 0.05. So 0.50 is greater than 0.05. Same way question number 2 you can see 0.7 or 0.5 they have given. You can put 0.7 in place of 70 and 0.5 we can make it as a 0.50. So 70 is greater than 50, so we can say that 0.7 is greater than 0.5. Now the question number 2 you can see, student, express as rupees using decimals. Using a decimal value, express this paisa into a rupees. That first question they have given 7 paisa. We have to convert this 7 paisa into a rupees. So here, as we all know that 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa. First of all we will write that, as we know that 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa. So therefore same way 100 paisa is also equal to 1 rupees. One in all are same, right? So as 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupees, 1 paisa is equal to 1 upon 100, you can say. This 100 will come here. 1 paisa is equal to rupees 1 upon 100. Same way 7 paisa is given in the question. So 7 paisa is equal to rupees 7 upon 100. As we divide 7 by 100, we get 0.07. After dividing 7 upon 100, we get 0.07. So 7 paisa is equal to rupees 0.07 converted into a rupees form. Same way next question, a similar question you can see converting into paisa into rupees. So here they have given in question 7 rupees and 7 paisa. 7 rupees already they have given, and 7 paisa we have to convert it, and we have to add and convert whole this 7 rupees 7 paisa into a rupees form. Here 7 rupees is given, so 7 rupees 7 paisa is 7 rupees 7 plus 7 paisa, that is 7 upon 100, as we have already seen in first question. So 7 rupees plus rupees 7 upon 100, that we get 0.07. After dividing 7 by 100, we get 0.07. So we can add this both numbers, rupees 7 plus 0.07, we get rupees 7.07. As you can see here, I can do it. 7 plus 0.07 we can take, and after adding this number we get 7.07 as a rupees form. Same way answer we get 7 rupees 7.07 converted into 7 rupees over 7 paisa. With exercise 2.5, question number 3. First question is given, express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometers. We have to convert this 5 centimeter into a meter as well as in kilometer. So first of all we will convert 5 centimeter into meter. As we all know, student, that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter, as you can see. After converting, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter, as you can take it. So therefore 5 centimeter is equal to 5 upon 100. As we divide 5 upon 100, we get 0.05 meter. So 1 meter upon is equal to 100 centimeter. See clearly, that 1 centimeter will be upon 1 upon 100 meter as a reciprocal, and therefore if we are getting a 5 centimeter we have given in question, so 5 centimeter will be 5 upon 100. After dividing 5 by 100 we get 0.05, so 0.05 meter, so 5 centimeter is equal to 0.05 meter as we have converted. Same way we have to same 5 centimeter we are converting into a kilometer, so 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, so 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Therefore 0.05 meter we get 1 meter, that is 0.05 meter is equal to 0.05 upon 1000. As we are taking 0.05 here in 1 multiplying by 1 we get 0.05 upon 1000. As we divide this both number we get 0.00005 kilometer. So we have converted that 5 centimeter into a meter and then kilometer. Student, question number 4. Come to question number 4. Here they are asked express in kg, that is kilogram. Question is given in a gram. 200 gram is given and we have to convert this 200 gram into a kilogram. Here as we all know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 1 kg contain 1000 gram. So therefore 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kg, you can say. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, therefore 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kg we can take. So here in question 200 gram is given, so 200 gram is equal to 200 gram multiplied by 1 upon 1000, that is 200 into 1, 200 upon 1000. As we divide 200 by 1000 we get 0.2 kg. So 200 gram is equal to 0.2 kilogram. As we can compare this by converting a gram, kilogram into a gram and a gram into a kilogram. Again I can explain you, see properly, as 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kg we can take. So therefore 200 gram we will take 200 multiplied by 1 upon 1000. So 200 multiplied by 1 we get 200 and 1000 is in denominator place. So after dividing 200 by 1000 we get 0.2 kg. Now student, question number 5 in exercise 2.5, question number 5 we are solving today. Write decimal number in an expanded form they are asked. Decimal number in an expanded form as we have done in question standard 5th and 6th also. So 20.03, that is 20 decimal 03, converted this decimal number into a expanded form. The expanded form as we take 2, as you know that 20.03 we take first of all digit which is coming at first place, that is 2 into 2 is coming at 10th place, so we will multiply 2 by 10, we will multiply 2 multiplied by 10, we will take sign of plus. Now 0 multiplied by 1, that is in a ones place it is. Now a decimal place is there, then 0 is there, so 0 multiplied by 1 upon 10th. Same way 3 plus 3 multiplied by 1 upon 100. So this is a conversion of a decimal number into an expanded form, that is 20.03 we get 2 into 10 plus 0 multiplied by 1 plus 0 multiplied by 1 upon 10 plus 3 multiplied by 1 upon 100. Now the next question is question number 6. Write the place value of 2 in decimal numbers. Here it is given a number that is 2.56, that is 2.56. Write the place value of 2 in each places. The place value of 2 in 2.56 is 2 into 1, that is 2 ones. So here the place value of 2 is in ones place. So answer is 2 ones. Now next question we can take same similar 21.37. The place value of same 2 they are asked. So the place value of 2 in 21.37 is 2 in a 10th place. So 2 multiplied by 10, so we get 2 tenths. So the place value of 21.37. Here 2 place value is 2 is on a 10th place. 2.5 last question number 8 we can see today. Shama brought 5 kg 300 gram apples and 3 kg 250 gram mangoes. Sarla, his sister or his friend you can say, Sarla brought 4 kg and 800 gram oranges and 4 kg 150 gram banana. So out of this both Shama and Sarla, the question is who brought the more fruits? So it is very simple. You can add both the fruits, right? So first of all we will do with the Shama. Total fruit brought by Shama is 5 kg 300 gram apple and 3 kg 250 gram mango. So we can add this number and we got that Shama brought 8 kg 550 gram. Now we can take total fruit brought by Sarla. Sarla has brought 4 kg 800 gram oranges and 4 kg 150 gram bananas. 4 kg 150 gram banana. As we add these both fruits, we get that 8 kg 950 gram fruit was been brought by Sarla, 8 kg 550 gram brought by Shama. Just comparing these both number, here comparing we can say that 8 kg 950 gram is more than 8 kg 550 gram. So Sarla brought more food than Shama, as we can see that Sarla brought 8 kg 950 gram fruits and Shama brought 8 kg 550 gram. So by comparing this both the number, you can see that 8 kg 950 is more than 550 8 kg 550 gram. So final answer is Sarla brought more fruits than a Shama.